Alright, knocking noises. The fuck? If you're a spirit, can you knock loud? What the fuck? That sounded like that was outside, but it's like several taps really fast. If you're a spirit here, can you knock inside the house? It is. Oh my god, it's 4:44. I always see that number. So weird. This clock's not right here. It's like 8 minutes off, but I'm seeing on my phone it's 4:44. You make a noise if you're here? I do typically hear noises on the roof like around this time in the morning. 4 or 5, 6 a.m. Can you knock or make a snap noise? Can you come towards the light of my phone and show yourself, please? What the hell was that? Sounded like that was the bathroom or I don't know. Something moving. It's a dog or just side. If you have something to say it in my phone. Ooh, what was that? I saw something go by. That was not a dust orb. Tell me your name. What's that noise? It's not windy outside. That's not settling sounds. Can you tap 3 times really loud if you are a spirit making those noises? Hello? Can you light up a cat ball over there? I turned off most of my equipment except for the cat balls and the parrot. They were lighting up cat balls earlier. Can you do it now? Can you light up a cat ball? There are spirits making those noises. Can you light up a cat ball? Or make the parrot talk or something.